Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. This is a detail video to show you how to unload your wheelchair from the back of a crew cab vehicle, in this particular case a Ford F-Series, using the Easy Stow PIT with powered rotation. So you can see the mechanism right here. We've got the rotation motor here, the up-down motor, and the unit goes across the floor. And the great thing about this product is that there are no holes drilled in the vehicle. And it's hard to believe, but literally there are no holes drilled in the vehicle. So this is, kind of a way to avoid any structural modifications. It's powered from the vehicle's battery, and everything is connected into existing bolt hole locations. So let's show you how it works. First we go out. But then, as we round the seat, the unit will actually turn toward the rear of the vehicle when you hit that button. So it's really great because now the wheelchair, let's say you had a powered fold-away wheelchair like an Eagle HD or a Easy Light Cruiser, it really means it gives you that extra space, because if it came straight out, it would run right into the door. This is obviously for ambulatory users. If you're a person that's actually in the wheelchair, it's probably not going to be appropriate. You should probably get an extended cab suicide door vehicle where the door turns the other way, and then you can get an Easy Stow PIT for that one, and then that would solve your problem. So here we're lifting. Raise the unit up, and now we're going to bring it back in toward the front. And you can see how it navigates beautifully, allowing you to get that just in the right spot. Okay, now, when let's say you wanted to put the seats down, you've got two wing nuts right here and three connectors. Undo these connectors, undo these two wing nuts. This wing nut right here can come out. In this particular one, you can actually slide the unit up. I think it may clear the roof. If not, you just lower it right here. You lower these two, and you bring that one right up. Take the entire unit out, and then the seats fold down normally, like you see, here. There's plenty of room underneath. So there's no structural modifications. It means when you take this unit out, literally, maybe just a little impression in the carpet, but you would never know that there was adaptive equipment in the vehicle. Thank you so much for watching this detailed video. I hope that you find it informative and that it really shows you the specifics of the mechanism. Did forget to mention there's also, of course, a manual backup system for the in and out rotate, just in case you were to have a problem with that. If you'd like to learn more about Access Unlimited, definitely check out our Facebook and like us at facebook.com/accessun. We're on YouTube with over 4,000 different exciting options to get you where you want to go, when you want to go. That's at youtube.com/accessun. Follow us on Twitter at accessun. We're on Pinterest at Access Unlimited 2 words and Instagram at Access Unlimited 1 word. Contact us on our website at www.accessunlimited.com or give us a call the old-fashioned way at 1-607-669-4822 Eastern Standard Time in the United States, and evenings and weekends, no problem, at 1-615-873-0518. Thank you so much for watching our video. We hope you like the Easy Stow PIT, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great day.